This is my 1990 Toyota Supra Mk3. Slowly working on it. Trying to get it up to standard. Needs a bit of work, but it's starting to look good now. It's got 19-inch wheels on maxis. The car has electric windows, fully electric windows. Let's see if I can operate them. It's got a digital dash. This is a limited edition import from Japan. I've taken out the glove compartment there. I was doing some work on it. It's a project and it's still under, we're still working on it, trying to finish it off. It should be dry, it should be on the road very soon. With these Supras, you've also got, I'll show you the electric seats. It's got electric seats, sliding backwards and forwards, and it's got the tilt for your backrest. There we go. It's got air conditioning. I've got some gauges put in. I just put them in myself. Got a boost gauge up there. On the other side, also it's got air conditioning as well, all working. This is the hard top. This is a hard top roof, or aero top they call it. So the roof comes off. See if you can see it in the dark there. That's where it all connects. It's got screws in here, or bolts that screw it down. 4 of them on each point there, and also back here. I'll show you what's in the glove compartment, the reason why I've taken it off. And also, before I get there, I've just installed this HKS exhaust system on it. It's a 3-inch system from the downpipe, and it's a silent, high power exhaust by HKS. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. There it is there, from underneath. It's not in perfect condition, but the body is in good condition. The body is good, but the paint is not so good. That's alright. Now under here, in the Supras, the Mk3, on the passenger side, there's a glove compartment that goes here that you open and close. I've taken that out, and underneath there is the ECU, engine control computer here, engine control unit. And the reason I've taken it off is so I can connect this bit here, this little module. This is a fuel cut defender. This one's actually a HKS brand. HKS. So this one here is connected into the wiring loom through the ECU, into the ECU, and that just allows me to increase my boost cut. On the side of the ECU, there's a transmission module. This one here, it's another computer that controls the automatic transmission. So once I'm done with working with the ECU here, I'm going to put the glove compartment back in And then I'm going to connect the stereo system. At the moment these gauges are not functioning, they're just put in place just as a mock-up to see how things will go. Now with this particular model, it has cruise control, and the cruise control buttons are here, one there, there's one there, and another one there. It's got a boost, what do you call this, turbo timer here, and an aftermarket rev counter over there. And here you got your mirror controls, side mirror controls, and also to fold your mirrors you can actually control it here. And I'll just see if I can control it actually right now. There we go. There we go. So yeah, it's running on 19-inch rims. Behind these 19s, for suspension, I've got 10 coilovers right in there. If you can see them, just see them there. Adjustable height. At the moment, it's riding pretty low. I might increase it a little bit, but it feels good. It looks good on this height. But I might raise it just a little bit. I like the way it's sitting right now. So, engine wise, it's a 7M GTE, single turbo. There's a turbo right there on the side. Now with this turbo, with the exhaust I get, there you go, you can just see it there. I've replaced the downpipe from the turbo, so it's got a aftermarket downpipe to help it flow a little bit freer. That's a stainless one as well, stainless steel. I put brand new coils on it as well, and cables, spark plugs. The next thing to change on this car now is some new injectors. They appear to be a little bit blocked. They sound like they're blocked. It's got a little bit of a miss, but it still drives. I need to order some new ones. It's also got ABS system. I'll just point it out for you. This is the ABS system for this car. For 1990 model, that's pretty special. These things were only found in the highest models of cars in the 90s and 80s. So that's a good thing. It's got a stock intercooler right down here. This one here. Can air filter. So now I think I'll just start it up for you. I'm gonna close this down. This particular one's got an immobilizer, so I've got to demobilize it, deactivate that. Oh dear, run out of battery. We've gone flat. I left the lights on. Damn.